Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We got some rain again, finally. Zen's under the table. Where's he at? There he is. You can tell it's not much rain because he's laying in a dry spot. But we got some rain finally. Thank goodness. Enough to settle the dust and probably help on the fire situation because we need it. And I do know this. Fall is right around the corner. You ask me how I know that? Look here. The aspens are already turning yellow. This is only like the 23rd of August. So fall is right around the corner. And bear with me as I get used to this new program. This video cam updated their system, so it's a little different. I'll show you a couple lost and founds. I got something I want to show you that some of you probably know what it is, but some may not. What did I find? Oh yeah. 5-gallon water jug. What's wrong with it? The little spigot is broken off of the end of it. But you know what? Got one in the bus. This is like brand new. It's not even on a scratch on it. Got one of those. And here's something I want to show you. If I keep everything from falling over. Is I found this. Look at here. What do you think that is? That's a homemade boat anchor with a chain and the rebar and plastic wrapped around. Somebody did a pretty decent job welding it together and putting it all together. But I think what I'll do is I'll use this, keep this, and put it on the bus. That way when my brakes give out again, hey, throw this out the back door and I'll be able to stop the bus. And only in theory, not in real life. And one other thing here. Somebody brought this to me yesterday. See if anybody knows what this is. And put it in the comments if you do. What do you think that is? I know what it is because I've used those over the last many years. Anybody idea what that is? It looks like if you look at it, like a spline from a hay baler you've seen. But let me know what you think that is. Well, something else I know is I forgot to call the mechanic Friday, find out about the bus. So I'm going to call them Monday and see if they're working on it. And I know one other thing too is somebody over this way is cooking something really good. Boy, it smells so good. I've been smelling it for the last like half an hour. So whatever it is, it smells really nice. And so, yeah, so we'll know more as we get along here. We'll take the pup for you know what a little bit later and see if we can get some more video going. And we got more rain coming down. That's good. I do know this though. This tent is worthless in the rain. As I said, it's a fair weather tent. There's no cover over the doors or the windows, so whenever it rains, if I didn't have this awning above, canopy, I'd have to just jump in there and zip it all the way up and just wait it out. But I've got my canopy made up into like a gutter system. I've got two of them side by side, and so I got the green one pulled over the white metal frame, which creates gutters so the water drains out to like this way. And I didn't get to take Zen for a WALK, but he's all right. He's in there hiding because it's raining now. He doesn't like thunder and doesn't like to get wet, so he goes into his doggy bed and waits it out. We're out taking Zen for a walk before the next round of rain comes in. Sun came out, but look behind us. Thunder and more rain coming, so we better get moving. Maybe we'll find a rainbow. Not yet. They always seem to form at the lake. And that was the first good rain we've had all summer. It's pretty nice. I'm sure in the next couple of days the grass is going to turn green and rejoice from the moisture. This camera's got new systems, got 2 quick zoom, so you'll see it pop back and forth once in a while. So I can do that with 1 finger. If I want to make it slower, I've got to use 2 fingers. Got several dogs here today, so Zen's got to remark his territory. There was a golden doodle here at number 8, and they had a marking contest. One would mark, one would mark, one the other mark, one mark. Like 5 minutes. Got these currants. They were looking good. I was thinking about picking some of them. They were just about past season, but put them in a bag and freeze them. There's quite a few in here. I've eaten a couple of them. They're not bad. They're not really tart or anything. So they're pretty mild. Maybe I'll pick a bunch and save them for later when I get to the desert. We're going to do our evening walk around the upper loop. See what the rain might have done, if anything. And check the bathrooms. And one thing the rain did do is make a mess of the bathroom floor, so all I have work to do tomorrow. A lot of muddy footprints. I just walked past someone's campsite and they're cooking steaks on the grill. Oh man, it smelled really good. Zen had to stop and get a few whiffs too. I didn't make too much of a mess yet, but it's going to. This is the worst problem right here. It's got mud coming through here. So I can't put the erosion control up there because people keep running over it. So let's see what happens. Makes a big muddy mess. There's a St. Bernard Pyrenees mix in front of us. Zen's met him a couple times. Got to hang out with him. I'm going to walk over here and see if anybody left us anything in our little pay box. Let's see. Please pay here. Let's see, anything in there? Hey, there is one. That's good. Lock it back up and call it good for the night. But we're going to end the video here and say thanks everybody for watching. We're going to head back to the tent and get ready for the evening. But the lake, as you can tell, is nice and quiet. We've got some seagulls on it. It's going to be a peaceful night. So thanks everybody. See you guys on around the campsite.